The "When parked, apply parking brake" message appears on Nissan Rogue dashboards, particularly in models from 2014 to 2023. This warning indicates a problem within the vehicle's electronic parking brake system. To understand this message, we need to examine the electronic parking brake system, or EPB. This system consists of 5 main interconnected components that work together. The EPB module is the brain of the system, controlling all parking brake operations. The brake actuator is the physical mechanism that engages and disengages the brake. Hill start assist prevents the vehicle from rolling backward on inclines. The vehicle dynamic control system integrates with parking brake functionality, while transmission position sensors detect gear selection and vehicle status. Now let's examine what causes this warning message to appear. There are 5 primary causes, with one being significantly more common than the others. The most common cause, affecting approximately 60% of cases, is a faulty parking brake switch. This switch is located near the gear shifter and fails to properly communicate the brake engagement status to the system. The remaining causes include EPB module malfunctions due to software glitches or hardware failure, transmission position sensor issues that fail to detect when the vehicle is in park, low battery voltage in older vehicles, and low brake fluid levels. These components are interconnected throughout the vehicle's electronic systems. When any component fails to communicate correctly, the system cannot verify that the parking brake is properly engaged. The warning message appears as a safety precaution. When the system detects communication errors between these components, it cannot confirm the parking brake status, so it displays the warning to alert the driver to manually verify the brake is engaged. When facing the parking brake message, start with simple troubleshooting steps before considering expensive repairs. These basic checks can resolve the issue in many cases. First, check your battery voltage. It should be above 12.4 volts when the engine is off. Low voltage can trigger false parking brake warnings. Clean your battery terminals if they show corrosion. Dirty terminals can cause electrical issues that trigger warning messages. Try recalibrating the parking brake system. Turn the ignition to on with the engine off. Hold the parking brake button for 10 seconds, then start the engine. Check the electronic parking brake fuse in the engine bay fuse box. Replace it if blown. It's typically a 20-amp fuse. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, professional repair solutions are available. Here are the 3 most common fixes with their typical costs. The most common fix is replacing the parking brake switch, costing between $150 and $300. This resolves the issue in about 85% of cases. EPB module reprogramming or replacement costs between $400 and $800, but has a 95% success rate for permanent fixes. Transmission position sensor replacement costs between $200 and $400. This sensor detects when the vehicle is in park position. Nissan has issued technical service bulletins addressing this issue, including software updates and extended warranty coverage for certain models. Start with simple checks like battery voltage and fuse inspection. If those don't work, the parking brake switch replacement is usually the most cost-effective solution. Check for applicable service bulletins that may provide warranty coverage for your specific model year.